Okay. About 2-3 minutes by now. So Sisterdale is that way. And that is, according to Twitter, 3 minutes ago. Trees just started doing their thing. Temperature has dropped slightly, but the humidity you can feel is gone. And here this thing comes. It's about to arrive here. It's thunder. But a situation like this where we can see the front coming to this town, and the complaint that we're talking about on the northwest side is very specific. We're preventing the rain from landing because we've covered up places where there was green where the rain would go with asphalt and concrete, and so it's blowing past is what's in the air right now. Pea-sized hail in Bernie was reported about 7 minutes ago. So it's coming from that direction. Lightning. There's a drop of rain. Upper lightning, not as many bolts. So this is a pretty good argument for we who are trying to suggest we've created a heat sink. Because there's nothing to rain on, it doesn't rain. The son of the 40-year scientists is telling you this is a heat sink. So the beauty of a windshield is that you can measure raindrops very distinctly and easily with a windshield. And this is light rain. I mean, it's not happening. Asphalt. Development. Rampant overdevelopment. This is what's left in our area of the recharge zone. And it looks real nice in lots of spaces, but this is not sufficient. Passing Marshall High School here on the northwest side of San Antonio and showing just how little rain has resulted since the time that several hours ago we were told heavy rain, including hail in Sisterdale, and then pea-sized hail in Bernie has become this here. No rain. I mean, there's no rain. Nothing. Really nothing. No rain.